Hi, my name is Camilo Rosso and my partner is Jesus Ortiz, and let's talk about Jaime Garzón.
Eh, Jaime Hernando Garzón Forero was born on October 24 and 1916 in Bogota, Colombia. His mother is Ana Daisy Forero Portela and his father is Feliz María Garzón Cubillos, who, who did when Jaime was only 7 years old, and from when he inherited the art of parody. Garzón studied at the Conciliar Seminary of Bogota, where he demonstrated his lack of respect for authorities from an early age. He showed his inclination to question and reflect on the conception established by a religious and conservative society.
Before entering the National University of Colombia to study law, his academic performance was not very good. He entered the Pontificia Universidad Javeriana to study a master's degree in political science, but he did not complete his career by entering the world of political activism and later television. Garzón supported Andrés Pastrana campaign to the mayor of Bogota. During this campaign, he witnessed the campaign led by John Jairo Velázquez, member of the Medellin cartel, to the candidate at the campaign headquarters in Bogota, January 18, 1988.
Garzón was appointed minor mayor of Sumapaz. Is his short time as mayor of that town. He built a health center, improved the school at Fitz, the only street in the town. Betten in 1919 and 1914 he worked at the House Nariño during the presidency of Cesar Gaviria.
Garzón was known as man committed to the change in the country, believed in the solution of the problems of Colombian, and demonstrated it with his daily commitment on the PNR. With the 1991 Constitution, with the translation of the Constitution into the indigenous language.
The journalists launched an accusation involving members of the Army 33 Brigade to sell kidnapped to the same guerrilla. Several active military officers were held accountable, especially for the kidnapping and murder of Israel business Benjamin Koudari in January 1990. After the seizure of Senador Piat Córdoba at the hands of the paramilitaries commanded by Carlos Castaño Gil, I was learned that Garzón's life was in danger due to his intention to create dialogues of peace. But Garzón was not intimidated and continued with his fight.
On August 30, Very early in the morning, journalist Jaime Garzón was driving to the RadioNet studios in Bogota in a gray Jeep Cherokee, and while he was at traffic light near the Quinta Paredes, he was intercepted by two men on a white high-capacity motorcycle. The hidden plates would have him 4 shots at the height of his head.